What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Alex, and today I'm actually heading to Waco. I'm actually already in Waco, coming to pick up some wheels for my car. And since I'm here, I figured might as well try to do some hunting. So that's where we're at right now. We're at a Walmart at Waco, Texas, and this might be somebody else's hunting grounds, but today we're gonna be intruding just for today. I will see you guys when we get inside the store. I thought my store was bad. Yeah, they don't got diddly squat here. Gran Turismo. Only one I like on that one is the Shelby GT500. And they got the wagons. Those, I guarantee all the Datsuns are gone. Yep. Sounds about right. And let's see if they got any premiums. Looks like they got the Boulevard sets here. But of course, the S15s are gone. That one right there is gone. All of them, and the Porsches. This van's pretty cool, but I'm not gonna pick it up. Actually, yeah, it does. No, it doesn't. That's, oh yeah, it is. Johnny Lightning, Pop Culture. Well, that's a bust. Guessing somebody hunts out here. If you do hunt out here in Waco and this is your Walmart, please drop it down in the comments below because I would like to know about that. We missed these. No 0 out of 5 chases either. Guys, we are at Dollar General. And I gotta say, this Dollar General looks like it's seen some better days. Do you happen to have any Hot Wheels by any chance? Hot Wheels, like the little toy cars? Oh, appreciate it. That'd be sweet.
He said that we might not carry him anymore because they just did a whole reset on the toys.
Oh, okay.
So we might not carry him anymore. Have you tried at Walmart?
Yeah, I tried Walmart. It looked like it was like somebody already had went through it.
You just tried that one?
Yeah, just that one. Yeah.
I want to say.
I'm from San Antonio, so I don't know much around here. They got just. I was assuming it was just one Walmart.
They have 4.
Oh,
they have
4?
One down the street, and then they have one in Belmead, and then they have one on Hewitt Drive, and then they have one on Sun Valley. That's
Oh,
the
okay.
newest one.
Sun Valley? I might try that one then. All right, appreciate it. Thanks.
You're welcome.
You have a good one.
You too.
Family Dollar. Let's check our luck here. That Continental's sick. Damn, no dice, man. That is pretty cool to see though. Sweet. Hey, brother.
Yo.
You wouldn't happen to have any more Hot Wheels, would you?
That's
By
all I
chance?
got.
That's all you got? Okay, appreciate it, man. Thanks. And now we're gonna take a quick break so I can meet up with the guy that I'm buying these wheels from. Alright guys, we wrapped up all our hunting in Waco, Texas, and we are back in San Antonio, Texas. I picked up the wheels that I needed to do for my car, which are way back there, and I am back, so I'm gonna pick up one spot here in San Antonio before I go home, and this is gonna be our last spot before we conclude today's video. Second case. Case. That Barracuda is cool, but not my cup of tea. Oh, yikes. Alright guys, that'll wrap up today's video. We didn't get lucky with any kind of stores that we went to today in Waco or here in San Antonio, Texas, but that's okay because that's not stopping us. Next time we're gonna try again and hopefully we can get something cool next time. But until then, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for tuning in.